In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and edit property groups in Hubspot. Property groups are a simple way to organize your properties so they are easier to find and manage. This can save time for anyone working in your CRM, especially when you have a lot of custom fields. To get started, look at the main navigation bar in Hubspot and click the Settings icon. This opens your account settings, where you can control how data is stored and displayed. Next, in the left sidebar, find Data Management. Click it to expand the section, then select Properties. This takes you to the area where HubSpot stores all the properties used across objects like contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Keeping this area organized is important because property groups affect how properties are displayed in the record sidebar and in property selection lists. Once you are on the Properties page, look near the top for the Groups tab and click it. This is where you will see the existing property groups that are already set up. If you want to create a brand new group, click Create Group. If you want to make a change to a group that already exists, hover your mouse over that group and then click Edit. Hovering is important here because the Edit option typically appears when you move your cursor over the group row. Now enter the group name. Use a clear, descriptive name that makes sense to your team. For example, you might name groups based on a process, a department, or a specific type of information. A good naming approach helps keep your portal consistent, especially when multiple people create properties over time. When you are ready, click Save. After you save, the group will be available to use for organizing properties, and any edits you made will be applied right away. That covers everything you need to know.